Hi, it's Jamie. I'm going to show you how to release the 3D printer from the Magician's suitcase and set it up in your branch. When the 3D printer arrives, push down the handle and rotate the Magician's suitcase so the two metal latches are up. Lift the flap on the latches and turn them counterclockwise. The latch will pop open. All of the tools you need for the 3D printer are inside the Magician's suitcase. The first thing you will come to is a set of step-by-step instructions. For now, set those aside. Lift out the packaging and set aside. In addition to the 3D printer, you will find the laptop, a shoebox, and a spool of filament. The laptop is tucked in on the side of the 3D printer. Next is a plastic shoebox with the necessary tools, some cords, and print examples. The last item is a spool of PLA filament. Please store the filament in the Ziploc bag when not in use. To remove the 3D printer, lift by the metal frame and set it on a stable surface. You will find lots of goodies in the plastic shoebox. All the cords and a mouse, some epic 3D print fails, feel free to add to this collection, some 3D printing tools, including scissors and the blue-handled butter knife, and an assortment of print examples. The 3D printer setup requires 3 cords: the 3D printer power cord, the 3D printer USB cord, and the laptop power cord. It looks like this right here. That's what it is. The power plug is on the back of the 3D printer, on the lower right-hand side. The USB plug is on the front of the 3D printer, below the rocker switch. Plug the USB into any port on the laptop, plug in both power cords, and you're ready to get printing.